Hello, here is Rodrigo Togores from United Gooses. I am starting to record some matches on Dueling network with the program that Chris Perovic gave to me. So thanks to him. And here is my wind-up deck. I'm pretty much playing it since September. And special things like the Gauss, one Rio, one Reaper, and Dropstone. The other cards are pretty standard. Standard side deck, rabbit, dragons, anti, against everything, and standard extra deck. So we are going to play, and let's find an opponent. TCG plus 1 core. Let's see if we find someone fast. If not, we are going to put the rank down on 350. So I hope I don't start Mega Shark. We can grind out the game a little bit. Would be nice. Okay, we are going to search for 350. I really don't care, but and Guido. Okay, let's take him. If not, still, I'm not going to search for the perfect opponent right now. Okay, he starts, and I'm a bit of freezing. Okay, that could be nice. I don't play. Okay. Ooh, Saber Pink Spoons. Okay, so he can search. I think if I don't draw Storm, this is going to be a really long game. I think. So my turn. TT. TT is a nice card right now. I'm going to. So I am going to activate this and banish if he gets better. Okay. Oh, that's sweet. So he don't have a MST back row, so I'm going to simply set this and this and end my turn. If I get his 2 TT, I'm going to activate. I'm going to banish my rabbit, obviously. So it's not like card advantage because he's recruit for another, but it's tempo advantage, and with Dimension Repression back row, I think it's pretty good. So now we are going to start rabbit beatdown. Oh, and Sangan, that's sweet. So Sangan, and we are going to start attacking with our stuff. TP. Good for him. Chun chun. Okay, now he has 3 back rows. We don't fear Storm. If he Storm us, he gets over Sangan in some way, and then he's going to attack this because if he attacks the oh, we can go for should we go? I think it's better to go to defense mode. We go to defense, and now we force him to attack into our cards, so that's good. That's okay. We should not use the MST so fast, cause this kind of dog usually plays kill drain, so We should save it. GG. Okay. 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 What are you going to do? Stardust. Okay. Stardust is fine. Ah, Wonder Magician first. Yes, because you can destroy a card, so I'm going home. 50, yeah. That was not bad. I thought that was a horn because it said that it was not, I will be okay. Now we're going to get rid of his cards. We have another depression, so if he didn't have another bribe, we could trade, enter, like nothing. I should have switched there. Okay. Oh, that's dangerous if he sucks the. Okay, I prefer to get rid of. I banish effect. I prefer to get rid of. Oh. Okay. Depression. Boom. He misplayed. Why he did this? Why you don't activate this in damage step? It's stupid. Okay, too brave. Yeah, it's searching for magician. Destroy you. That's. Have one back row. You just lost 2 cards for free, and I draw into a warning, so I think I'm going. He might have a TT, so I'm going for it. Special. I think I'm going to get. I'm trying to get Tiras and Utopia, something like that. I can do it thanks to special summon defense. And then I am getting level 5. I can go into that's stupid. I get to leave a magician on the field for later and shark 5. So with the rat later, let's see. I fear a little bit torrential, so I'm going to play really safe. I should have removed a magician with the rabbit. Just a little misplay. And then overlay. Let's see, he has a compulse. Maybe not. Where is the tears? Anyway, if he has, I am. Okay. That was a really stupid game. Okay, so thank you and see you next